Hello students, today we will study about terrestrial planets. Terrestrial planets are those planets which are in some way like the Earth. Terrestrial planets, this term terrestrial, has been derived from the Latin word terra. This word itself used This word is itself used for the earth and the word terrestrial for the planets, which are the inner planets for the sun, which I have told you in the last lecture. These are the inner planets or interior planets. These all planets are in some way or other, they are like each other. What is that certain way we should know? The first planet is Mercury, that we know. The second planet is Venus. Third planet is our planet Earth. And the fourth planet is Mars. Terrestrial planets have solid planetary surface. That's why these all are like Earth, because Earth also has solid planetary surface. Second thing, they all are made up of silicate rocks and other metals. This important property of the terrestrial planets that they have the solid planetary surface differentiate them from the gas giants which lack this property. Now, these four planets are called terrestrial planets, inner planets, or interior planets. Now, we should talk about each and every planet individually. First of all, we'll talk about the Mercury. As well, it is the closest planet to the Sun. It has craters like Moon. On the surface of Moon, as we know, the craters are the formation due to the striking of meteorites to its surface. So, same the Mercury has on its surface. Like Earth, iron and other heavy elements are there in its interior, like Earth. It takes only 88 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. It occasionally appears as morning or evening star. This is few detail about the first planet of the solar system according to the distance from the Sun, the Mercury, and we can again see these points. Smallest planet, the closest planet to the Sun, it has craters, its interior contains iron and other heavy elements, It takes 88 days to complete its one revolution around the Sun, and it occasionally appears as morning or evening star. We will talk about the another planet, which is the second planet. It is the Venus. In Hindi, it is known as Shukra, the second planet from Sun. Is the second brightest object in the Earth's sky after the Moon, and its reason is its highly reflective atmospheric layer, which mainly consists of the clouds of sulfuric acid. As well, it is the hottest planet of solar system. Actually, it is the second planet, and the Mercury being the closest is guessed to be the hottest also. But it is the hottest planet, that is Venus, is the most hot planet of the solar system because it contains high carbon dioxide content in its atmosphere. It has the densest atmosphere among all terrestrial planets. So, its atmospheric pressure is equivalent to 92 times of atmospheric pressure which is on Earth. Also, it is known as sister planet of Earth because it has approximately the similar composition, size, gravity. So it is known as the sister planet of Earth. Its name is after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, Venus. Mainly, the term morning or evening star is used for Venus. Then we have the next and the dearest terrestrial planet, which is our Earth. It possesses two types of motion. It rotates as well revolutes around the sun. Due to its rotation, on its own axis, day and night are caused Its rotational axis is tilted slightly from its orbital plane. For revolution, it takes 365 and 1 by 4 days. The formation of seasons take place. The formation of seasons takes place on Earth. It has one natural satellite, the Moon. Satellites are those natural objects which revolute around the planet. I should mention here that Mercury and Venus have no moons, while the Earth has single satellite. We are coming to the last member of the terrestrial planets, and it is the Mars. Mars is also known as the red planet because the iron oxide is prevalent on its surface. It is the fourth planet from the Sun. Its surface temperature is low because its atmosphere is very thin. Due to the thin atmosphere, its atmospheric pressure is also very low. Its diameter is little more than half than that of Earth. It has 1/10 of the mass fraction as compared to Earth. Its average density is less than Earth. It has two moons, the Phobos and the Deimos. Both are the little moons of Mars. Mars, this name is given to this planet for the Roman god of war. Mars is the most explored solar system body after our moon.